Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today. In this video, we are going to prepare wonderful Himalayan salt and coconut oil scrub. Well, I shouldn't really tell you that Himalayan salt, the pink Himalayan salt and the coconut oil together combined could really become the wonderful scrub for a really gorgeous looking and beautiful skin. I would just list a few benefits that you would get if you're using this. It definitely will help to smooth the bumps in your skin and obviously nourish your skin, you know, with its many nutrients. It will definitely get rid of the excess oily skin and the dead skin cells, right? That's why we're exfoliating our skin. It will help to tone the skin, diminish the large pores, and it will help to fight acne. That's why for me, this is really the, anti-acne body scrub to go. It's also great for tightening skin. So enough with talking. Today I'm going to show you just how to make one portion, one use of this scrub, so you could try it out. And coconut oil will also provide really nice nourishing properties, moisturizing effect. So I would just start by combining Himalayan salt with the coconut oil. As far as the amounts, let's get a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, and it's very important. So I get the salt. It's not coarse salt, because I believe that when you're using coarse salt, it might be a little damaging on your skin. Besides, this is the recipe that I would easily use on my face, and that's what I really do once a week for sure. So 1 teaspoon of the Himalayan salt, and then we should use half a teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil needs to be creamy, not like too liquid, so we could be, able to form a paste. So let me get half a teaspoon of coconut oil, and it's creamy as you could see, so just put it in there. Obviously, if you're going to use it for your body, you could triple ingredients, make really a lot. And then the next ingredient, before even mixing everything up, will be lemon juice. Lemon juice is amazing. It's brightening properties, as you know. It's great, for fighting acne and acne scars. We shall need half a teaspoon of lemon juice. So just pretty much get a slice of lemon, the half a teaspoon measuring spoon rate, and just squeeze. So once you squeezed the necessary amount, you put that in, and now it's time to mix everything. Well, as you can see, the amounts are perfect to make it a paste. We need it to be a paste, right? So like that. It's wonderful. If you want it to be thicker, you could even put it afterwards in the refrigerator, because the coconut oil will become solid, as you know, at a certain temperature. Now, and the last ingredient, I would say it's optional, but I think it's definitely a great idea to add some, would be the lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is like one of the best oils for your skin, provides anti-aging effect. Besides, it will also help you to relax, feel calmer, which is also amazing, right? Better sleep and things like this. It's also great to help with minor skin irritations and imperfections. So it's great oil. I love it. So, and besides, we shall only need 1 drop of lavender essential oil, because this is a very tiny amount of the scrub, so we don't need to go crazy and put more than 1 drop, because all the essential oils, they're very potent and we have to be very careful. Now you just give it a final mix and we're done. Just demonstrate you how it looks like. It's a gritty paste. You will feel it. That's exactly what we need, but it will still provide a very gentle exfoliation like this. So you don't need to really scrub and rub your skin like this. Always be gentle. So once you've used some paste and rubbed it all over your skin, make sure you do avoid the under eye area if you're using it for your face, because it's very gentle, and also because we're using the essential oil. And then for best results, I would even recommend you to let it sit on your skin for a while. I mean, if you're using it for your body, it might be a little, complicated, but maybe in the shower you could still manage to do that before rinsing it off, maybe for at least 5 minutes. And if you feel that your skin, like the tingling reactions because of the salt, you definitely wash it off right away. And then I would also say that if you have any open cuts and then wounds, definitely avoid those areas as well. And then once you've used this, you just wash it off with warm water. and proceed with your regular skincare routine. And I know many people are suffering from acne, oily skin. They're afraid to put coconut oil on their face. So in this case, I could just say that first of all, you would wash it off, and it will not aggravate your acne in this case. Second of all, you would still use the toner after this mask, so after the scrub, right? Whatever coconut oil you might have left, it will be gone. And of course, if you're still not convinced, or you definitely know that coconut oil is a no-no for your skin, you could use grapeseed oil or any other non-comedogenic oil that is, on that list with great success. I really hope you guys like this video. It's very simple to prepare. It's great ingredients. I do believe in magic power really of salt, specifically pink Himalayan salt for fighting acne and providing gentle exfoliation. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I wish you to stay very happy, beautiful, handsome, and very healthy, of course. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you're always up to date with all the videos I'm uploading. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video.